Okay, virtual summer camp writing workshop people, we are going to get started on what you need to do to get this college essay written. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go into your Google Drive. So go into Chrome and you're going to open a new window. So you want to make sure that you are actually signed in as your school account because I made a school drive. So you want to go into as your school account. So if you see here, I'm actually signed in as Mrs. Woodard's personal Gmail. So I click on that and then I go and I find my actual Council Rock one. And that's going to give me access to our school drive. So then click on the waffle, go to the drive. And what you're going to see over here is an area that says shared drives. You want to click that open and you're going to see college essay workshop. Click that open and what you're going to see is a number of different folders, including a folder for you. Okay, so what you're going to do is click on, first step is to click on the actual essay prompts. If you go into the actual essay prompts, you're going to see 6 different essays. What I want you to do for step 1 is I want you to go into each essay. So you'll click on it to open it. And what you're going to do is answer each question. So you're going to read the prompt. Some students have a background, identity, interest, or talent that is so meaningful, they believe their application would be incomplete without it. If this sounds like you, then please share your story. So the first part is tell the story of background, interest, or identity, or talent. So you're going to write down an answer to all 3. Explain why it's meaningful and why would your application be incomplete without that knowledge. So for me, for example, I might say my identity is I'm a special needs mother. It will explain why it's meaningful. I am the parent of a special needs child, and I must advocate for his needs. And why would your application be important without it? So my application would be incomplete because I have spent a lot of time learning about special education, and it has had a major impact on my professional career. Okay, so I'm just going to answer the questions for all 5 essays. Okay, the reason I'm having you do quick little answers to all 5 essays is it's going to force you to really think about these prompts. You may go into a prompt thinking, oh, I want to do, prompt number 3. And it may seem like a good idea, but what ends up happening sometimes is that when I force my students to actually answer the questions to each prompt, they may find a hidden essay in them that's been missing all along. Now, once you complete your essay, you're going to then hit File, not the essay, I'm sorry. Once you complete this form here where you answer the 3 questions for all 6 essays, you're going to go Move To, and then you'll have to click back one because you're in essay prompts. And what you'll do is you'll pick your folder and put it into your folder and then click Move Here. So what I'd like to see is the 6 essays, the 6 prompts. So here again, here's the 6 prompts. I'd like to see you answer all 6 prompts. I'd like to see all 6 prompts dumped into your personalized folder. And then I'd like you to email me to let me know that you got that finished. Okay? So that is your first task. So remember, you have to go in through your school account, and then you have to answer all 6 prompts. You have to get all 6 prompts into your personal folder, and then you have to email me to let me know that you answer that, and then that will bring us on to the next portion. All right, good luck to you.